Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is June 18th, 2022. We're going to talk about Loopring today and try to see if this is the reversal point in the market for this particular cryptocurrency. Welcome everyone to HueFin, also known as HueFin News. This is what I do. I come through and I show my community where I think price is going to go so that we won't be confused. We won't question why price is going up or down, and we actually will be in position to capitalize from the move. So if you guys want to join me, definitely want to make sure that you guys do that. And I want you all to do that by hitting the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to my channel. Also tap the bell notification as well, because I've been here for a while dropping price predictions to show you all that you can do this for yourself too. You don't have to be dependent on some other person to try to tell you where they foretell price is going. You can do it on your own. Let me show you. I did a video last in Loopring on the 24th of May, and I didn't drop a price prediction because I wanted the market to give us a little bit more information as to where it's trying to go. Here we are today. You guys can see a couple of things. It's going to be real important for the market to go up in Loopring, which is why I wanted to come in and talk about this price reversal in Loopring. We've been seeing the price in a downturn in the market for Loopring for a while, but there's a couple of points that I want to show you all that brings to my attention that we may see a reversal here in the market in Loopring. So let me zoom in on this chart real quick and let me show you what I'm talking about, because I already identified these levels, right? I already got the overall trend into the market in Loopring, right? This is very important. We need to see the market in Loopring control and maintain this price above this long-term ascending line. Now, this trend started all the way back in November 2020, and we've seen the price grab that line multiple times. So it simply tells us that the buyers are coming into the market in Loopring. We are now here today. We need to see them continue. If they continue to hold price above this ascending line, then yes, we will see a reversal. It's just that simple. There's no issues, no questions that needs to be answered regarding that. As long as price in Loopring holds this ascending line, guess what? We're going to see prices go up. It's just that simple. So let's go ahead and see this on a different time perspective though, because we may see the weakness into the market in Loopring. Can you see this on the 2-day time frame? Right here is where we needed to see the market continue to go up, right? We saw it here on this 2-day price bar, and the market in Loopring has not capitalized off of. We saw price continue to go down. What does it mean? Well, it simply means that there is no buyers, that the interest of higher prices is not here as of this particular moment. This is Loopring on a 3-day. Take a look. We're in a massive downturn. Loopring is not the exception. Many other altcoins, cryptocurrencies in the space is going down. Okay, cool. But we are literally trading at a location to where we were just a couple of weeks ago. Look at that. On May the 10th, Loopring also came down to this particular price level of 35 cents. While everyone else is screaming and nervous and crashing and bear market language is going around all over the place, Loopring is right back to where it was just a couple of weeks ago. Keep that in mind. This is Loopring on a 5-day. Now, it's going to be important definitely for the buyers to show up. If they don't show up, then just like they did here, they showed up on this 5-day price bar, right? They're not showing up again right now though. Look at this on a weekly. Okay, what we got 1 day and 6 hours left, and currently the downturn into the market in Loopring is still here. Now, one thing I wanted to address and show you all is that the volume on this current weekly price bar, let's take a look, it's higher than what it was last week. So we have a wider spread the week before on light volume. This week we got a smaller spread with higher volume. What do you think that means? Exactly. It means that the buyers are trying to control this ascending line that I already talked about in the beginning of my video. We all can see that. Let's look at this on the 4-hour chart, because right now it doesn't look too bullish. The market here in Loopring doesn't look massively bullish. It is being affected with everything else that is going on in the cryptocurrency space, from what, Terra Luna, Celsius, a lot of these other over leveraged companies that were placing bets in the cryptocurrency space is finally losing ground. And now Loopring is similarly going through the same issues. It is being affected by all that is going on in the environment for the cryptocurrency space. Now, question, is this a time for us to jump into the market or not? Should we come in? Should we wait? You guys can see it. The market has bounced on this horizontal line that I've just created at 34 cents multiple times. Is this a buy point again? because I really don't see it. This is Loopring on the 15-minute chart. Are you noticing any indications of strength or weakness? Let's look at Loopring on the 2 weeks. Okay, we got 1 day and 6 hours left, and the weakness is still here, right? It's still here. This is the 2 weekly time frame, and we are seeing the price closing at the low end of the current 2 weekly price bar. That is not indicative of strength, especially when we're right back to where price needs to bounce off of this ascending line. Price is now trading below that. That's not good news. So the issue that I'm seeing is price continuing to go down. Now, should you be surprised? No, we should not be surprised. We've been in a downturn in Loopring ever since what? This 2 weekly price bar started in November of last year. Price has been on a decline. So for us to say we're still looking for price to go lower, it should not come as no surprise. The chart is telling you exactly what it's thinking. And from a 2 weekly perspective, we need to be prepared for price to break that ascendant line. Okay. So am I seeing a price reversal in the market in Loopring, which the title of my video reads? I don't. I still think price is going to go down. Here it is on the 3 weeks. Yeah, this is it on the 3 weeks. So we need to try to pinpoint, if we're looking for price to go down in Loopring, how low do you think it's going to go, right? Maybe to 30 cents. Maybe to 25 cents. See, even though I'm planning the weakness, even though I'm looking for the market to drop in Loopring, it's not that far from where price currently is. 30 cents, 25 cents, maybe even 20 in the long term. Are you ready for the market to dip that low in Loopring? So let's go ahead and run this on the chart. I'm not expecting the price in Loopring to hold this ascending line. I'm expecting it to go down. We might get a pop, right? I've shown it to you that buyers have maintained the elevation of that ascending line numerous times. But when I show you the 2 weeks, the 3 weeks, even on the weekly time frame, how price is still signifying weakness and selling, we got to be forward thinking. So my thinking is that price is going to break the trend. It is going to break that trend that started all the way back in November 2020. I'm in position to allow that to happen, but this is going to be from a weekly, 2 weeks, 3 weeks time frame. You at least got to give the market that much time to play out. Okay. So let me go ahead and continue to look for that weakness to go down into the market in Loopring. We're going to continue to play the weakness into the market in Loopring as long as price trades below 45 cents. Okay. We're going to look for the price to go down in Loopring, 45 cents. Now, am I massively bearish? No. I've already told you 30 cents will be my first price target, meaning I will come through and take some profitability off the table. Now, that's around 11.5%. There's nothing wrong with taking profitability. That's the name of the game, is to make money. So 30 cents is the first spot. My second one is 25 cents. That's 26%. Okay, then my last one is 20. That's 41% movement to the downside from where the market currently is in Loopring. All right, so I'm done. I want you all to go ahead and drop me your price prediction into the market in Loopring. I don't see a lot of things changing regarding the sentiment of the market, cryptocurrency as a whole. I still think that people are trying to come to realization that the market is now through with the bullishness that came through the market last year. Now it's your turn. Go ahead and let me know what you think. All right, make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.